Hello friends. Now many people from MacBook community asking me that sir how to install Windows 10 on like MacBook. Okay, so you can see this is my Macbook Air M1, the latest version. I have installed the latest version of MacBook, and on this I have installed Windows 10. Okay, so you can see I have installed Windows 10 on my MacBook. It's working, completely working. You can see this. This is completely working, and you can go and you can use this Microsoft Windows inside this MacBook. Everything is working perfectly. Okay, and now if you want to know how to install it, I am making a short video. So if you are guys want this video like how to install Windows 10 on MacBook M1, please go to the comment section and type yes, we want MacBook installation, and then I will remove this operating system, and once again I will install a fresh Windows 10 on MacBook M1, showing you a stepwise. And also if you guys want the operating system like ISO file, you don't have the file, you can ask me through the comment section. If you guys like, if there are 10 comments or more than 10 comments, then only I will upload the video, because I have to remove this ISO file Windows 10 from this MacBook. So just I'm uploading the video. You guys update me if you want this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.